How to convert MKV file to MP4 using VLC Media Player. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert MKV to MP4 file on VLC Media Player. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over, open VLC Media Player, and you're gonna navigate to Media at the top left. And once you do so, among this list, you're gonna search for the option that says convert/save. So simply click on that, and here you're gonna click on File, and once you do so, you're gonna click on Add and select the media that you wish to open. In our case, it's MKV file, so you're gonna navigate the MKV file and open that over here. So I have selected this MKV file, and the next thing that you're gonna do is click on Convert/save over here. And once you do so, you'll be able to see options like these. So you're gonna simply click on Convert here, and here you're gonna select the profile. So in our case, it's MP4. So you're gonna select video H.264 plus MP3. That is basically MP4. So you're gonna click on it, and then after that, you're gonna select the destination file that where you wish to save the converted file. So you're gonna head over, click on Browse in order to select the destination file. After that, simply head over, click on Start, and you're good to go. So that was basically how you can convert an MKV file into MP4. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.